I have had so much success with vision boards, and you can too. If you've tried using a vision board and found it's not working for you, there are three main things you need to do. You need to believe it, you need to feel it, and you need to work it. With respect to believing it, just remember there are endless possibilities between where you are today and where you want to go. And make sure you choose your beliefs wisely. For feeling it, your emotional connection with your vision board is what gives it its power. And thirdly, working it. You need to be using that vision board, looking at it every day. If you would like to find out some more tips and techniques to help you create and use a vision board in a fashion that really works for you, be sure to join me in my free masterclass that I'll be hosting soon. Check out the link in the description to find out more.